If you have plans to visit Positano, Italy, or anywhere in Europe and you're looking for the most comfortable shoes for travel, not only do I have you covered, but I have a coupon code for you. These sneakers are my absolute ride or die. I've not been on a single trip with them since I first got them. I want to say 6 years ago. I've bought every single pair the company has ever made, and there's absolutely nothing that I suggest more than these. They're also the #1 thing my blog readers and Instagram followers buy every single year, and I can't even tell you how many DMs I get from people who have bought them on my recommendation that absolutely love them and can't even believe how comfortable they are. I wore them pretty much all day, every day on my last month-long Europe trip. My feet never hurt once, and they go with literally every outfit, which is one of the reasons why they're so good for travel. These are them. They're a little bit on the pricier side because they're handmade in Italy. They're luxury sneakers, but don't worry, I have a $60 off coupon for you. They are the most perfect minimalist design. There's 2 different styles. This is the platform style. There's also a regular size sole option. I have both. Because they're handmade, they're the most amazing quality shoes I have honestly ever owned. They don't require a break-in period at all. They last forever. They literally mold to your foot, which is part of why they're so comfortable, and they're incredibly lightweight. Because they're leather, they don't really get dirty. When they do, I just take a magic eraser to it and it comes right off. And honestly, I think they just look way better than all the other options out there. They're perfect. And one of the reasons why they're so great for travel is they go with literally anything: skirts, pants, dresses, leggings, you name it, you can wear it any single day you are traveling. There's also a men's version of my favorite sneakers. My coupon code is Christy60. That'll get you $60 off anything on their site. You can either go to mjemmy.com or go over to my profile, click the link, and there's links there as well. I hope that helps. Make sure to like and follow for more packing tips.